This poor baby did not make it. He was supposed to hatch 2 days ago, and I did not want to interfere, and I left the egg with the mother and father, and you can see he didn't make it. In the morning, I checked today morning, and it was very weird looking. The egg was, and now poor guy. Oh, I wish I could save him. I did not know what to do. It would be because of the moisture or little baby. So sad. He made it all through the end and couldn't make it outside his egg. I don't know. This little white thing you can see on his nose is his, you know, instrument of breaking the egg. I don't know why.